my dear students. Welcome back to your channel Brilliant Minds by Neeru. In this video, I have brought something new topic for you. We'll be doing it practically. That is the table of contents. Yes, students, class 10 students. This is according to your new syllabus in which we are using LibreOffice Writer. Okay. First, I want to tell you what do you understand by table of contents. So table of contents, it's a list of chapters, sections, and major parts of the written work. Okay, and there is a hierarchy in it also, like you have headings, then subheadings. So for example, I'm taking this list here in Libre Writer. Okay, for this, suppose these are the contents of the book you have written. So for this, you have to create a table of contents. So what are the steps we are going to learn just now? First of all, just you have to select the headings, then subheadings. Okay, the topic, then subtopics of this. For example, this is the first chapter and this is the second chapter. Okay, I'm going to select it. First, you have to set its heading style. Now, this is the paragraph style. In this, you will get the headings. So I'm going to set it as heading 1. Double click on it. See, chapter 1, chapter Fundamentals of Computer. Now what you have to do, you have to go here to numbered lists. In this, you want to, suppose I want to select this style. Okay, so this is okay, fine. Now come to this part. These are the sub chapters, subtopics you can say. Okay, for this you have to set, again you have to set the headings. For this we'll go to next level. It was first, heading first. Now this should be heading second. See here. Now automatically you can see 1.1, 1.2, the sections are divided like this. Okay. Now come to this part also. This is for other chapter. For this again, what's the level of the heading? That is the first heading. Okay. See here. And rest of these chapters, these topics, or you can say subheadings, for these you have to set heading 2 as before. See here. So first chapter contains these subtopics and the second chapter contains these topics. Okay, now I want to show you how you can create the table of contents. Go to insert menu. Here you find table of contents. Okay, and one thing, be careful, the cursor should be there where you want to insert the table of contents. So I have put my cursor here. Now I'll go to insert. Click on table of contents. First option is table of contents, index of bibliography. I'm going to click on it. A window is open for you. This is a dialog box. In this, the title is there, contents. You can change, for example, just to show you, I've changed the topic, the title, my title. Okay, my index. Fine. Just so that you can make out the difference. So here in the type, you find so many options there, alphabetical index, index of tables, so many. But for our concern is table of contents only. Then next, this is checked. What is this? Protected against manual changes. Okay, automatically I'm going to create that table of content, but you want to protect it. I want to protect it by so that no one should change it manually. So I have kept it checked only. I'm not make any changes in it. It is by default. Now you have to create index or table of contents for the whole document, entire document, or for chapter. Here I'm setting it's a default setting is for entire document and include up to level 3. Here I'm having just 2 levels, heading and some headings, means chapter and so I can make it as 2. Okay, and entries. Of course, entries are there, character style. I'll tell you later on. First, I want to show you the basic table of contents created. Click on OK. See, it has been created. First chapter, Fundamental Computers. It has the following sections, fundamental concepts, components of computers. The second chapter, then 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. It is created automatically. So now if I want to make some changes, I'll again go back here. Okay, now I want to, suppose I want to delete this one. I don't like this style. Then you can delete the index. Okay, now I want to create once again. Go to table of contents, first option again. My index, okay, fine. Now if I want to make it as contents, okay, for the whole entire document, whole page, entries are there, like in this, in character style, emphasis, example, okay, I'll take this emphasis. Okay, see here, I think you are not able to see the change. I'll make some more change in it so that you can easily compare the changes. Okay, here everything is same. Now in entries, I'm taking, instead of emphasis, I'm taking example, for example. Okay, click on OK. So another table of content is displayed here. Now next, more changes you want to customize it. Go back there again, different styles are there. Column, suppose you want to make in the index to be shown in 2 columns. Okay, fine. See here, it has been divided into 2 columns, chapter 1 and then chapter 2. Again, okay, now here I want it to be inserted, so cursor should be there at the proper place. Now table of contents, first option again. So now columns we have done, background. Suppose you want to give some color or image, of course, fine, you can give color. Okay, see the color. Going again, so cursor is here. I check it every time because otherwise it is inserted anywhere in between if you don't take. Okay, now background image also can be taken. Some more examples, some more styles are here. Okay, see here the new style of table of contents. Like this you can create. Suppose I make some changes in here, like in components of computer. I want to write hardware, software. Okay, under this heading, under components of computer. So what you have to do, first I have to make the setting of the heading. We had already used first and second heading, so this should be third heading. Okay, see here 1.2.1, 1.2.2. okay, now you can again create new table of content for this. Your cursor should be at the right place. Go back again, insert table of contents. Okay, now in character style I want to make it example background none. Okay, so see here it has been shown here with, you can see here some, you can see here control plus K. If you click on this with control plus K, it will take you to the fundamental concepts. See here my cursor is here. Now fundamental concepts is there. Okay, now insert, because this, you must be thinking this part is not shown in the table of contents. Why? Because I had not changed the level. I'm going back here to make some changes. So here see, I had included up to level 2 only. Now I have to change it to 3 levels because I've used 3 levels. Now again the same entire document, heading, title is same, styles. Okay, now entries in this character style, I want to change emphasis. Okay, and background as none. Okay, it was inserted because I did not check. See here, it has been inserted. I did not check where to insert. The cursor was at the wrong place, so it has been inserted here. See here 1.2.1 hardware, software is also there. I'll just undo it and do it once again. So my cursor was here, students. See here, it was not the right place for the cursor to be there. So here I want it to be inserted. Go back here, insert table of contents. Now see, it is up to 3 level. Background is none. Then entries in this character style, I can take it as emphasis. Okay, now I'm clicking OK. See, so it has been inserted here. 1.2.1 hardware and software is also there. Now come back to the original list. Suppose I want to write something about hardware, then something about software also. And I want that when I control plus click, when I click on the table of contents, it should come to this part. The cursor should be here. So first I need to enter some content in it. So I'm taking some part here, like uh, components of computer. I'm just copying just to save the time. Okay, Control V. Okay, I'm using the format. Fine. Now in there's a second chapter also in the operating system. If I want to insert some text, then again I want to copy some piece of text from here. I'm just copying from here, students. Copying here and now pasting here. Okay, fine. Now if I go here, like I'll show you the last one. Yeah, this one. Yes, if I click here on the hardware part, control plus click. See here, my cursor is here on the hardware part. So here I can read the content of my selected topic. Come back to again the content here. You want to see the operating system. You want to see the detail. Control plus click. See here, operating system. My cursor is here now. I'm sure you must have enjoyed learning with me this topic, that is a table of contents. You should also practice, students. Take care. All the best. See you in the next video very soon. All the best.